Home Show.
Eric from Rosenberg has a question about a crack attack.
He was doing some lawn work, Tom, and discovered this on the side of his house. Eric writes, this diagonal crack, as you can see, starts from the window and goes to where the pipe for the water hose comes out on the side of the house. Is this something I should be concerned about, or should I fill in the crack, and how would I do that?
What I would do is this. You notice it's from the bottom of the window. That's a weak point because you have a window in the brick veneer, number one. Number two, it's not really a diagonal. We call it a stair step, which is the sign that you have movement. Now, could the movement be from we had some really dry weather, hot weather, and something gave way a little bit because it's a big brick wall? Maybe. If that's all you have, you don't see anything on the inside, you don't see anything around doors, you don't see anything at all, I would not jump and just go crazy on it. What I would do is this. I would mark it. You can take pictures of it. You can, do an inspection around your house for the next 6 months to see if anything else shows up. You certainly could call Due West Foundation Repair and get a professional opinion. Won't cost you anything. They can come out and take a look at it. But like they've always said to us, Charlie, there's no such thing as emergency foundation repair. Maybe you'll have to have it done, maybe not. But if nothing else shows up, and this was just something that happened with the temperature changes, and it was just like a freak thing and a weak spot on your brick, then maybe in 6 months you have it fixed and everything will be fine. I've had a couple at my house. I've had them fixed. They've never come back. But be a little patient and watch it. If you want a second opinion, I know I wouldn't call everybody out. Somebody's going to try to sell you something. But I know the Dutton family and I know Due West, and they'll more than happy give you an opinion of what you think. But quite frankly, this looks like a typical, and I can't quite see the flower bed in front of it, but I know it's a flower bed and it doesn't look real healthy, which means it's probably not getting the water it needs. This looks almost like a water issue, and they might recommend that you put a soap hose around there and stabilize it.
Right, or maybe there's a tree that we don't see that's going under there and getting moisture out from under the slab.
Yeah, but if you look at that picture real close, look at the little monkey grass that's trying to grow. There's like three little hairs instead of a big, giant monkey grass thing. So I have a feeling there's a little water issue on that side of the house.
I think anything that brings death to monkey grass is good. So no offense. I love monkeys and I like grass, but I don't like it when they put them together. All right.
Okay.
You got a question? We'll be happy to help you out. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in, and we'll send back a video that looks like this. We post them every day on our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and right here on HomeShowRadio.com.